Hi, in this video I will show you how to replace a water filter on a Philips NanoCloud air humidifier. All you need to do is to open the upper cover of the air humidifier and then pull out this plastic thing, and there you have filter. Throw away old filter and install new one, like that. Insert this plastic thing and place the upper cover with the fan on its place, and the air humidifier is ready to be used again. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.